missing the WS232 Winsock DLL, threatening a critical OS failure. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. This DLL file is the Windows Sockets 2 library. It is the fundamental networking component of the operating system, allowing all applications to create socket connections for TCP/IP communication on the PC. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. The WS232 Winsock DLL is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc or scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the WS232 Winsock, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for the WS232 Winsock DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. To help prevent background conflicts, the maintenance utility referenced below includes information related to the WS232 Winsock synchronization. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Windows OS core functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support